So moving on to question 6. Again, this is another application question where they give you a situation and you need to model it in mathematics. So we have Psalter Lane Youth Club hired the local swimming pool for an hour for £100. The 3 leaders each paid £5. They took 34 members of the club and charged them X each, so an amount each, and they must not make a loss. So in other words, whatever amount of money they collect, it has to be at least £100. Write down an inequality and solve it to find the least X could be without making a loss, and show your working. Well, let's start off. There are 3 leaders each paying £5, so that's 3 lots of 5, so that's the leaders. And then there are 34 members each paying X, so we'll put X there. And as I said, in order to not make a loss, this has to be at least or equal to or more than 100. So having written down this, we then need to simplify it and manipulate it so that we end up finding the value of X. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 34x is greater than or equal to 100. Now we can subtract 15 from both sides. This will give us 34x is greater than or equal to 100 minus 15. And then we can divide both sides by 34. X is greater than or equal to, well, 100 minus 15 is 85, and we're going to divide by 34. So here we have a numeric answer. X is greater than or equal to 85 over 34. It's very tempting to leave it like that, but one of the things you have to do on a question like this is to convert back from the mathematical model back into the real world. So we need an answer in some form of money. Let's start off by writing the 34 times table. 34, that's going to be 68, add 4 to that, 12, 10, so that gets that far. And let's see what we can work out. So we're going to have 85, we take away 68, sorry. That should leave us with so 8 from 15 is 7, 6 from 17, so that'll leave us with 17, and 17 is actually half of 34. So X is going to be greater than or equal to 2.5, so that's 2.5. And therefore we need to show, finally we need to show that X is therefore greater than equal to £2.50 to do the final conversion here back into the real world that was supplied in the question.